Have you ever worked on a screw where the head is stripped? Well, today I'm going to show you how to remove a screw like that with a flathead screwdriver and a death wheel. Since I'm 10 years old, I'm not going to use the death wheel. This is where you might want an adult to help, unless you're an adult, of course. You're going to line up the death wheel with one of the lines of the screw and cut a notch. Now we can use the notch that we just cut to take out the screw with the flathead screwdriver. Heat from grinding it can help the screw come out, so do it right away, but be careful because the screw can be hot. And remember, lefty loose. I hope this helps you be less frustrated and take things apart. Oh, by the way, ask your parents before you take something apart, unless you're an adult, of course.